Hi guys, welcome back. So we're going to continue from where we left off in the last video. So let's go ahead. Okay, when we are inside a blog post, we might want blog to be still highlighted. So maybe we will have to change something here. So let's see. So let's get the URL of this, the full URL, and we'll see if it is present or not. So something like this, page.url.href is the full URL of the page. What we do is instead URL dot includes, sorry, yes, blog is highlighted. Other things remain same except for homepage. So homepage is not gonna, like, this URL includes href. Href is just a slash for homepage, so it's always gonna remain same. So we are gonna do something. We do a ternary operation here, href. If href equals slash, which is homepage, we'll do it in a different way. Then we'll do route ID equals href. Otherwise, so only if it's the other case, we'll use this includes method. So this should work. I'm not quite sure. Let's say so this is working. Okay, this should be it. So we have a working blog in our website. It isn't like fully functional or anything, like we don't see any dates or the formatting or image. We don't have nothing there, but I think you can figure that out by looking at what we did here. You can figure out how to get things working in this in the blog. All right guys, so I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye bye.